A new series, Khauf Ki Adalat, goes on air on Sony TV this weekend. The series is based on the supernatural, but actor Ronit Roy, who plays lawyer KD in the show, says it is not about spirits and ghosts.
Courtroom drama, but it's a special month, so to say, of supernatural plots within a courtroom. It is not about ghosts, it is about the myth that is there in people's minds and how people use all these stories to fool other people for money or for land or for whatever. So it is like, can be called the expose of supernatural elements.
Adalat, in which Ronit plays a lawyer, KD Pathak, went on air in 2010. He says kids love his show and are even learning Hindi, watching him speak pure Hindi.
Of Hindi bhasha in the show, which a lot of mothers have written in, saying that because of the show the children have started using Hindi words, because nowadays they speak English, which is not a language really officially. So, and Hindi is our language. So I think the kids should have at least know the basic of Hindi, and they're enjoying it.
KD is known for solving even the toughest cases. In the new series, he will be seen with two new assistants, Samar and Sunaina. Shraman Jain and Prerna Vanwari will portray the